It's number one! It's the dialogue of a movie I was thinking of the word.
Swear to God, there is nothing better in this world than water and water.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out of cue.
I didn't record on this side. 8259 आपके पास जीपे है? Been an evening. It's so funny. So what happened was today we were supposed to start shooting in the morning, but the photographer Avinash, he never does this. He just wasn't up for it because he had a late night shoot, rather an all night shoot last night. So we decided we'd shoot today. Now this is how I'm sitting in MG Road, which is all right. If this was in Bombay, people don't stare and laugh, but this is Pune. I'm happy I'm making people smile and laugh. Now what's happened is his car has stopped working, like in camp only. So he's getting it fixed. The weather right now in Pune, I'm going to put what the temperature is. It is so hot. I'm wearing 5 layers of clothing and I'm wearing boots. I'm sweating. I'm waiting. He's telling me I should come there, like where he is, to Victory Theatre. But now my whole thing is that if I go there, by the time I reach there, it will take 10 minutes and I just need to pace myself, if that makes sense. Just thinking if I should drink Nagar Pani right now. It would be fun. The mechanic is coming and doing something to his battery. People are looking at me like I have lost the plot, but I have found it. So, the plot, oh my god. I love camp. Look at how cute these houses are. I think that's not a house, it's a store, but there are houses on top. To top it all up, there's been lipstick on my teeth this whole time. This never happens to me. Okay, seeing what to do. Because I'll go there and come back to it. I think I'm going to book a rickshaw and go to where he's at. The heat is really getting to me. My phone says it needs to cool down. Do you understand how warm it is? Oh, I saw a butterfly. That's great. See, I'm going to stop recording audio for some reason. God, what is happening? City Bakery is right there. Let me show you. It's there. There in that corner. So I walked till there with all this. Met the sweetest lady. We started talking and she ended the conversation with हमेशा अच्छा सोचना है and think positive. And that just switched my mood because it doesn't take long for things to go right. He just video called a man and put the camera on me while walking away. Why is this so amusing? This chair has been my savior. I'm so grateful for this chair and that stool. Avinash is here now and the light's better now, so I think everything happens for the best. Look at it, can you see the light on the coconuts? A sentence you thought I'd never say. This man is singing Lal Duppatti Wal. This is not a dupatta. Avinash is finally here! Look at him walking. I think finding parking took longer. This is Avinash. What's your assistant's name? Sushant, hi. Bag, hi.
Everyone, hi.
The parking took longer. See, this is Kholsa Gali. Guys, let's begin. This is Kholsa Gali, as I said. That is me. Cute. So we just got done. This was the location. Now we're walking out. I got into a little bit of a spat, if you will, because Avinash got scared. Someone said something and I was like, what, huh? Avinash like, Neela, what happened? I'm not feisty, but I am sometimes. We're done with the first look. Now we're going to go change for the second look, which has been free today.
That was a pretty good shoot.
Yeah.
Entered all the lanes possible.
Yeah.
Let's
How many
see
fights did I get into?
First one was crazy, like, what's happening, Neelam?
Yeah, because he thought that man didn't say anything. He's like, he's just asking us film ki shooting हो रही है. Why are you so upset?
First thing the man comes and asks me, sir, आप film कर रहे हैं, photo shoot? I'm like, film. Then Neelam comes like, आपको समझ में नहीं आता कैसे बात करें? I'm like, what's happening?
This is the first time you've seen me fight with someone, no? I'm short-tempered, you know. I'm going to attempt changing in the car because there's no option. Okay, I can't change in the car because there's so many. There's tinted glass, but look, you can kind of look through, and from aage to you can. We're going to get some more water. I think I'm going to see you guys when I change. Boss, pani. I love water. Swear to God, there is nothing better in this world than water and Coca-Cola. And cold beverages in general. Herbal teas too. And a lot of other stuff. See, the thing is, if I change in the car, it's better for me. Only we save on time and a lot of other stuff. And I haven't changed the next outfit in a proper place. So let's just try. I've tried the shirt around me. This is how I'm sitting right now. I have pants on, don't be weird. I'm wearing another dress and I have to put this third dress on. Because we're not doing the second look now, there's not enough time. I have to just touch up my lips. I'm going to do the last look and hopefully get done early. Because I want a slipper. The door is not shut. I can never shut doors tight enough. They both are standing outside the car, chilling, because now we have time for the last shot, thankfully. My least favorite part is packing. Now to make sure all this fits in this bag. That's going to be fun. Into this dress. Now I need to pack everything, so I'm trying to figure out where to keep my phone so y'all can watch me pack. Wait, I'm going to put the phone here while I pack everything up into this bag. So now the thing is that I need to put all this in the bag. I'm wearing the coat. I was just looking for my phone. Mad. Okay, the boots. Where are the boots? Where are my shoes? Where are my shoes at? So I'm wearing another pair of boots. These bags from Amazon are so good for packing stuff. Come. I changed, yeah.
You done?
Yep.
Just get into getting videos. I'm doing a fake videos of myself.
That's reality, guys, because while shooting there's not enough time sometimes. I want to put my booties back inside this bag. These shoes have been through so much. They broke once during dance class and they've just been breaking since then. Is it time for them to retire? So you know the funny thing is I didn't wear heels for a long time, and I feel like some of them are really falling apart. Okay, first we're going to fold our suit. Now the other thing is that when I go home I have to go back in this outfit that I'm wearing, which is a trench coat with boots, high boots. Do you know the as I told you all about the weather? I remember the same thing once. I was shooting for something. I hope this is recording. I was shooting for something and I had to go home. So I don't like ACs. I say that while the AC is on, but I had to right now because I'm changing and stuff. And I can't roll down the windows. So I was in this cab for 4 hours. That day there was traffic for some reason, and I was claustrophobic. No, this happened another. I wore the same trench coat, and this is back in September. I had a shoot, and then I was going back home, and I started feeling my body temperature. I was so warm, sweaty. My clothes are sweaty. Okay, the boots have to go in now. Actually, most of it is gone. So this dress is like that. It's got more fabric before people get ideas. This dress I really wanted to shoot it, but there's no time. Lighting was. I'll show you some of the pictures what we took from the last one. My camera and my bag are with Sushant. Okay, we're done. So these are the shoes I'm wearing with this outfit and a black trench coat. Now I guess I'll see you all when we're shooting next. Bye. Done? Yeah, I'm ready.
Where should we go?
We are doing some, you know, Don. I think the pictures have come out mad. Do you think so, Avinash?
Yeah, even I like the pictures. Even videos also, like, I'm liking the angles and how it come out.
Avinash and I have been shooting for 10 years now, over 10 years.
Over 10 years.
Over 10 years.
2014.
13, no?
13 or what?
13 or 14? 13, 14, one of the two years. See, this is the boat. This is the plan. I was just recording I hope he posts this vlog. I keep posting everyone to get on YouTube.
Yeah, so the number one motivation I got like a couple of days back from Neelam is that you should get into YouTube.
Yeah, because his personality doesn't show on reels because he's so he's like he said he makes everyone comfortable. He does, and he's nice with male models also because a lot of photographers are not so nice with male models. You have always Suraj and all used to love you, yeah, Chajir.
Yeah, that's that.
Like he's open word with everyone. Some people are just.
I'm hoping that like if the motivation continues more couple of days, I record myself.
It will not continue.
No, I hope it continues for more 2 days so that I have something to put out on the blog.
Just post this today and yesterday you have snippets.
Yeah.
You must be having BTS of many shoots.
So I have lot of BTS from lot of shoots, but everything is vertical. So YouTube.
So you can put it on YouTube also.
Shorts.
I'll show you how to edit. No, in the vlog only I'll show you how to edit it.
Okay, that's a good idea.
Yeah. Now we're going to go to the location. He's thinking, our light is going. You think? No, no.
No, we have time.
Our
We
light
have
is
more
not
time.
on.
We have like more 15 minutes.
We couldn't have done that short. So
No.
we'll take the rickshaw and go. But
Yeah, we needed the perfect light. That perfect light when we're shooting in the lane,
Yeah.
the golden hour.
Correct. Oh, let's go. Oh, that we got. I'll show it to you all guys. Bye.
Bye.
Sushant has my other camera. Chota camera. That's okay. Like, how do you find locations? All these things photographers want to know. You know how many photographers are curious to know things? Yeah. How do you connect with models?
Okay.
हम जा रहे हैं भैया आप इतना एटीट्यूड मत दिखाओ.
नहीं नहीं मेरे से उसको 3 बार पूछा उसने मुझे.
I've been watching all Mirzapur and all. I'm in a fighting
मुझे
mode.
क्या
तुम्हें क्या चाहिए? हाँ सुशांत किसी ने कुछ किया है तुम्हारे साथ मुझे नाम बताओ. अविनाश like नीला.
सुशांत is like
सुशांत किसी के साथ पंगा लेना है मुझे बस बोल दो. मैं रो भी सकती हूँ. रोने से सब ठीक हो जाता है. When was the last time you all cried? मेरा तो रोना ही नहीं आ रहा है.
I don't hold my emotions.
No, but if you start taking ashwagandha, you can't cry
You?
because you get you know it's banned in Denmark. Don't quote me on this
Yeah.
because it numbs people.
No, I don't
Ashwagandha.
want
It doesn't numb you though. Ashwagandha is very good.
But I
I
won't
swear to
cry.
God, you'll take for 1 week now. You'll find such difference. You'll wake up early. You'll have energy to do yoga, do everything. Ashwagandha. That's what I was asking. How you're feeling in the morning? I would have gotten some herbs for you to take.
You take ashwagandha, what?
I take ashwagandha, manjishta, neem, amla, moringa.
I have lot of energy. Generally also.
But not energy. It's like I don't know how to explain it.
That days when you just
healthy. No, not energy. You feel healthy. Like you have energy, but do you work out every day?
no.
Like we don't have energy to do good things. That's the thing. This makes you very positive and calm. You must be overthinking about
So
work
I-
and stuff.
No, that is like once or twice in a month it happens.
So
That-
this just
that
makes your
happens.
nervous system very calm.
I'm very calm.
Yeah, that you are.
So
I think it's
every
good for
morning to
women.
night now, if you see my to-do list, if you see my notes, right, it's always work written. So that way it's good. But I wanted to try this Shilajit.
Shilajit, yeah.
The people are saying like it's a lot of
It's good. It's good for
Yeah.
women also. Maybe your testosterone increases too much. Because I don't know, but women also can take Shilajit. So I don't know what the con. Because if women can take it, then there can't be so much testosterone hormone. I don't know what it is. But you should consult someone. There's a very nice Ayurveda doctor in Vanavri.
Is it?
Yeah, very nice yoga class also. There's some very good yoga institutes. Also now, these lights you want to know.
These lights, no?
Yeah, but it needs to get darker.
Yeah, like 7:38. So 6:55 was today's sunset.
It comes usually later only. No, it will come earlier because sunrise so jaldi hota hai. 6:15 बोलता है but जल्दी निकलता है. Ola has an office here.
यहाँ लाओ, ये आगे जाते हैं.
Victory is there. Victory is आगे. Victory के बाहर भी won't get ना.
कहाँ क्या? Where?
Victory के बाहर भी won't get past.
So here, like, my car was there, na, so I took a whole U-turn, came back, then
Oh
यहाँ
my
पे-
God.
Here I went to change the battery again.
Remember we came here last time when we were
Yeah.
shooting. We were trying to find.
This is such a cool place, you know.
Yeah, it is.
We're very conservative people.
But I'm glad today the outfit we were wearing was what I was wearing in the morning. I mean in the evening. If you were wearing anything else, people would have gotten offended.
They actually take offense, you know. if-
Yeah, which is correct also because
That's where I was like,
before I used to not. I realized once I can't. I have to tell you this. I was shooting. We are waiting for it to get dark. It's dark. We're gonna start. Sushant, say hi.
hi.
I don't believe in personal space.
I'm just trying to figure out.
Do I remind you of all of an annoying sister people would have? You all have sisters?
I have sisters.
Am I as annoying as your sister?
No, they're not annoying actually.
They're older.
No, they're younger.
How come they're not annoying? Yeah? I think older sisters. You have a sister?
Yeah.
Am I annoying?
Younger.
She's annoying.
No.
I think younger sisters are not annoying. My brother would say I'm annoying. For sure. But when you have sisters, you all know how crazy girls are, na? And how annoying. Girls are annoying. If people who don't have sisters think don't
Girls
understand.
are crazy.
Yeah, and they're very. As in, like, you all have seen how girls are at home.
Yeah, it's like whenever I see that some guy or some girl is commenting on my sister saying that you look so good, I'm like, please come home. I should never say that again.
We should do what? One more?
You have one more bag?
I should take a bag.
No, we should have one more bag, I'm saying.
It's so much cooler now though. At least we're not sweating. In the middle of the shoot and Avinash thinks Koran Manega Karupati is going on. He's phoning a friend. Phone a friend option. 50-50 to le lete. We were shooting, I'm telling him, Avinash, I'll get hit by something. He's like, yeah, it's okay. He didn't hear what I was saying. He's again zoned out. Sushant's going to keep the bag in the car. Because I told them we should not leave things around. And he's like, jab tak koi na bole, I don't care. But now I'm stressed. That's our light. That's Sushant. Sushant's excited. Sushant's an actor, by the way. If you'll have any casting work, please let us know. He's a theatre actor, theatre experience. Avinash is doing something. He's a very good photographer. If you all want someone to shoot you all
What?
on your special occasions of your brand, let him know. Why am I doing this in a more complicated way? King of the world!
What did you say?
Isn't that a dialogue from a movie? I'm a king of the world. It's not? Okay, I'm ready. Thank you, Chance. How was it? मैं तो बकबक करती रहूँगी. अपनी getting down?
Come, yeah. Like, what happened? All good? You wanna go on now?
Hold, I'll come on my own. I'm an independent woman.
Huh? Yeah, we'll do one quick now video.
Honestly. Let's see. Let's see.
I said. Okay.
I don't know how to see it now. I'm going to book a rickshaw and go home. It's 8:30. It's not 8:30. It's 8:02. I want to go home soon and go to sleep because we got to work out tomorrow morning. Didn't work out today. Not work out, go for a walk. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Maybe I'll post a few snippets of the behind the scenes. Let's see. Bye. And let me know if you like these type of vlogs. We are doing another few more shots. I'm getting something to drink because I'm thirsty. I'm thinking, secure the goods. After the shoot, my rickshawala was such a nice person. His name was Krishna. So literally God sent. It took 2 hours to get home. The matter was because they were really priced reasonably, so I had to get a lot of them because my mother. I mean, mothers are amazing that way. Women, but I understand a good discount. Good deal's a good deal. Okay, bye guys. Sleep well.